Click on the link below to get price. The Household Dehumidifier with a 2000 ml water tank is an impressive solution for controlling humidity levels in your home, particularly in areas prone to dampness like bathrooms and basements. With its compact design, it easily fits into various spaces without occupying much room, making it an ideal choice for those living in small apartments or houses. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its impressive water tank capacity. The 2000 ml tank allows for extended use without the need for frequent emptying, which is a significant convenience. The automatic shutoff feature activates once the tank is full, preventing overflow and ensuring safety. This is especially beneficial for busy households where maintenance might be overlooked. In terms of performance, this dehumidifier operates quietly, which is a crucial aspect for any household appliance. The noise level is minimal, allowing it to run in the background without disrupting daily activities or sleep schedules. This silent operation makes it perfect for use in bedrooms and living areas, where excessive noise can be a significant concern. The energy efficiency of this unit is another highlight. It consumes comparatively less power than traditional dehumidifiers, which is appealing for environmentally conscious consumers seeking to lower their energy bills. The portable design also means that it can be easily moved from room to room as needed, adapting to changing humidity levels throughout your home. The user-friendly interface makes it simple to operate, with straightforward controls that do not require extensive setup or technical knowledge. The sleek design and neutral colors fit seamlessly into any decor, adding functionality without compromising aesthetics. Overall, a Household Dehumidifier 2000 ml is an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve air quality and reduce humidity levels effectively. Its portability, efficient performance, and silent operation make it a top choice for households seeking comfort and convenience in their indoor environment.